Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed the question 1, 3 and 5 of exercise 13.1 and given to you homework of question 2, 4 and 6. Now come to the question number 7. Exercise 13.1. A tent in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Height and diameter of cylindrical part is 2.1 and 4. Slant height of top is 2.8. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent and also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So, this is the tent which is in shape of cylinder and surmounted by conical top. The height is 2.1 meter and the diameter is 4 meter. Slant height is 2.8 meter. So, area of canvas required is equal to cut surface area of cylinder plus cut surface area of cone, that is 2 pi RH plus pi r L. So, taking pi r common, that is 2h plus L. Value of r is value of r is 2. 2 into height is 2.1, slant height is 2.8. So, it will be 44 upon 7, 4.2 plus 2.8, 44 upon 7 into 7, that cancel it, 44 meter square. Cost of canvas it is rupees 500 per meter square. So, 500 into 44, that is 22,000 rupees is the answer. Next is from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid nearest to centimeter square. This is question number 8. This is the cylindrical A conical cavity is cut out. This conical part is removed, which is of same height and same diameter is hollow out. Now find out the surface area of remaining solid. Given to you, height is 2.4 and diameter is 1.4. So radius is diameter upon 2, 1.4 upon 2, that is 0.7 centimeter. This is the vertical height, which is also 2.4. First find out the slant height. Slant height of cone L square is equal to H square plus R square. H is given to you 2.4 square, radius is given to you 0.7 square. 2.4 into 2.4 multiplied it, you will get it 5.76. 7 7s are 49, 0.49. Now you add it, 9 6 15, 1 4 5 7 12, 1 and 5 6. This is L square and L is square root 6.25. Take the square root of it. How will you take it? After decimal make it pair, before decimal single digit. Same number you will take it here, 2 2s are 4, because 3 3s are 9 is more than 6. So 2, put the point, take it pair, this 2 and 2 added, become 4. Take same number on both sides. You say here is 5, so it may be 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. So it will be 2.5 centimeter. So area of remaining solid cut surface area of cylinder plus area of top, that is circle, plus cut surface area of cone, 2 pi RH plus pi R square plus pi RL. Taking pi R common, 2H plus R plus L. Now putting the values, (22 upon 7), R is 0.7, 2, H is 2.4, 0.7 and slant height is 2.5. This remove this decimal, 7 and 7 cancel, 2 11 ja, 2 5 ja, 11 upon 5, 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5, 8 7 15 and 5 20, 2 2 4 and 4 8. Eleven 8 ja 88 upon 5, 5 1 ja 3, 5 7 ja 1, 3, that is 17.6 centimeter square. Now see the question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder, as shown in figure 13.11. This is a cylinder, hemispherical part is scooping out. Find the area of the article given that height is 10 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeter. It is very simple question. So total surface area of article is equal to cut surface area of cylinder plus twice into cut surface area of hemisphere. Cut surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 cut surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Taking 2 pi r common, it will be h plus 2r. Putting the values, 2 pi value is 22 upon 7, radius is given to you 3.5, height is given to you 10 plus 2, radius is 3.5. Remove this decimal, put the 10, 7 5 are 35, 5 2 are 10, 2 and 2 cancel, 22, 10 plus 7, 22 into 17, so it will be 17 2 are 34, 17 2 are 34 and 337 centimeter square. Here this exercise is completed. You will do some homework question, like homework is example 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will do these 4 examples. On next turn we will do it volume of combination of solid.